When you open the infection vaccine app, first you get into the login page. The first option of the login is Touch ID. If you cannot successfully log in with the Touch ID, you can choose the keyboard log. And then the email has been show up if you have already signed up as account user. You can put in the password. After the password is put in, the home page starts to show. This is the home page. The left top bar is the menu. Other than the home page, the app has another 4 sections: science mechanism, kit structure, vaccination procedure, and a medical record. As you can see, the other 4 sections has been listed here as a list. In the middle top is the logo of the infection vaccine. You can click here in another page to come back to the home page, means this page. And on the right, it is the profile image of this user. If you click here, you can change anything in the profile page, such as email, login, password, or other information, and you can also choose to log out. So that brings you back to the login page. Okay, let's go through the other 4 main sections one by one. This is the science mechanism section. I hope to create an animation to teach the users what is the component in this vaccine, how it can create a vaccine with the blood sample in the field and quickly work on the patient, and then why its effect lasts for more than several months. So the animation can show up as a small screen, and you can use the full screen mode to view it. And then we go to the next section, is the kit structure. The kit structure first show this closed plastic box. It has a cover, middle layer, and a drawer. You can go to the next step. The closed kit has been opened. Each section can be separated from the rest of the kit, and each component has its own button to lead to the page to show individual section, or you can just go through by pushing this next sign. So for example, the top cover, this is the top cover. It has all the syringe and the pipette and needles, and some of them has liquids in it. If you click each of them, the name of that medical tool show up as a pop-up. If you click away, those name disappeared, and then you can go through one layer to the other layer. And after the user goes over the kit structure, they can go back to the menu, choose procedure, and this is a linear step-by-step for the users to go through the procedure, how to collect the blood sample, make the vaccine with the blood sample, and then eventually give the vaccine to a patient or go back to the blood donor itself to boost their immune system to fight against the disease. As you can see right now, I use some rough photo as a placeholder. Because I took those photos, I couldn't wear gloves, which in the final version, we should use a high quality photo with, hands with gloves, or I also plan to create animation with the finalized version of the kit. The kit research team right now is in the process of upgrade the prototype. So this is not a finalized version yet. So I don't want to put a lot of effort right now in the illustration. So eventually, go through all the steps to make the vaccine, and the vaccine can be injected in the armpit area subcutaneously, and this vaccine form a pellet underneath the skin to help the patient to fight against the disease for several months. Then the user has, supposedly these instruction steps can be done on the flight without a requirement of internet connection, and on-site because the user are going to handle biohazard material. They couldn't touch their phone. So during the procedure, they will have a printed version come with each kit, and it's on the paper, so it can be disposed together with the kit as a biohazard material together. And after everything is cleaned up and nothing is contaminated in hand, so the user can go back to the app, go to the record section. So this is a simplified list or form to fill about what she has done today, to which person, the location, the time, and the app's supposed to make this job easier by putting in such as timetable without typing everything by the user herself. And after this is done, it used as a record temporary holder, and when the Wi-Fi is available, the user can synchronize the information with the online version. So with the online version with a better keyboard, everything, then they can make the information more detailed. So this is generally my app design for the infection vaccine user. Suggestions are welcomed. Thank you.